Have you ever wondered what's lurking in the darkness beyond our galaxy? What if I told you there are invisible galaxies, ghost galaxies, orbiting silently around the Milky Way right now? Welcome back to Galasky, the channel where we dive from stars to infinity, one cosmic story at a time. Before we unravel the hidden worlds haunting our galaxy, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and join our growing universe of curious minds. Because today, we're venturing into the shadows of the cosmos. The Milky Way isn't alone. Surrounding it are dozens, maybe hundreds, of smaller galaxies bound by gravity. But some of these are unlike anything we've seen before. They're ghosts, almost invisible, containing barely any stars, glowing faintly through the darkness. Astronomers call them ultra-diffuse galaxies, giant structures of dark matter and gas spread so thinly that even telescopes struggle to see them. These aren't just faint smudges of light, they are ancient relics, survivors of cosmic battles billions of years old. Some orbit close, like the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, currently being torn apart by the Milky Way's gravity. Others, like Antlia 2, are so dim that we didn't even know they existed until 2019. And yet, they're out there, watching from the cosmic dark. For decades, astronomers were puzzled. The Milky Way's gravity suggested more mass than the visible stars could explain. Where was it hiding? The answer came when the Gaia Space Observatory began mapping billions of stars in exquisite detail. Among the data were strange, slow-moving star clusters, evidence of vast, invisible companions. It's as big as the Large Magellanic Cloud, yet 10,000 times dimmer. Imagine a galaxy so faint that if the Milky Way were a blazing city at night, Antlia 2 would be a single flickering candle in the fog. These ghost galaxies may have formed differently, with fewer stars, or they may have lost them in gravitational encounters. Some may even be dominated almost entirely by dark matter, the invisible glue that holds the universe together. Here's where things get eerie. If these galaxies are made mostly of dark matter, they're not just faint, they're nearly invisible to everything we can see. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, but its gravity reveals its presence. And ghost galaxies could be the best evidence we have for understanding this mysterious force. Simulations suggest the Milky Way should have hundreds of these small, dark matter-dominated satellites. Yet, we found only a fraction. Are they hidden? Or have they already merged into our galaxy, leaving faint trails of stars behind? The Milky Way is a cosmic predator. Over billions of years, it's devoured smaller galaxies, stripping them of stars and gas. Every time we look deeper, we find traces, stellar streams, rivers of stars wrapping around the galaxy, remnants of ancient galaxies consumed long ago. These ghost galaxies might be the last survivors of that galactic feast, the haunted remains of cosmic history still orbiting us. And perhaps one day, they too will be swallowed whole, leaving nothing but whispers in the starlight. You might ask, why do these dim, almost invisible galaxies matter? Because they rewrite the story of how galaxies form. They test our understanding of dark matter, and they might even explain why the Milky Way looks the way it does today. Each ghost galaxy is a fossil, a memory of the early universe, preserved in cosmic darkness. The next generation of telescopes, like the Rubin Observatory and James Webb Telescope, could uncover dozens more, painting a clearer picture of our galaxy's haunted past. We often think of the Milky Way as a bright island of stars in an endless void. But around it lies an ocean of shadows, ghostly galaxies drifting silently, unseen, yet shaping everything we know. Maybe, just maybe, the universe isn't made of light, but of the darkness between. If you enjoyed exploring the ghostly side of our galaxy, subscribe to Galasky. Leave a comment and remember, keep looking up because the universe is always watching back.